here are going to cover the following zones. The top guy will cover this top zone and be running back and forth. This guy is going to cover this zone in here. The middle guy is going to cover this zone. This guy is going to be over here. And then our bottom guy is going to cover this zone.
Okay everyone, so this is our 1-3-1 zone defense versus a common offense that we'll be facing this year, which is a 4-1 offense. So to start off, say this guy has the ball. The top guy is going to be coming up and trapping him with this guy right here. And the baseline runner, he's going to come out and be even with where the ball is. Now because the baseline guy is out here, that means this guy has to drop into the middle, like around the block area, to make sure that this guy cannot backdoor cut for an easy layup. Then what this guy's gonna do, he's gonna float out a little bit too, but he's mainly just gonna stay in the middle to protect the middle. And that's how we defend that. Okay everyone, this is how you use the 1-3-1 zone defense to defend the ball if it's from the corner area. So in the corner, the first step is the baseline guy is going to be coming out and guarding him on the baseline. What's important here is if you're on the baseline, you cannot let this guy go around you this way. You have to force him back up into the middle, because if he gets around you on the baseline, then all these guys have to drop and they're going to have an open three out here. So he comes out there. The wing on this side of the court is going to be coming down and trapping right there. And then the top guy, he's going to be coming over and guarding this guy, who will this offensive guy, seeing how these guys are trapped, he'll probably come down. So it's just like trying to keep the ball on this side of the court for him. And then because the baseline guy's out here, that means the middle guy has to drop to where the baseline guy is to defend this guy, because otherwise they could pass it into him. And then this guy is gonna drop to defend his back, so this guy can't drop him. Okay everyone, here's how we're gonna defend the ball from this side of the court. It's basically the same thing as what I just showed you, just reverse. So these two guys come up and trap. This guy moves parallel with the ball. This guy's gonna drop now to prevent that backdoor pass. And then this guy's gonna follow the ball a little bit. And that's how you do that. Okay everyone, here's how you defend from the opposite corner that the ball is on. So again, the baseline guy is gonna run out. Again, he cannot let the offensive guy go get the baseline against him. And then this wing is gonna come down and trap. And the top guy is gonna come over. And this guy's gonna drop there. And this guy's gonna drop there. Okay everyone, here's how you defend the ball if you're inside on a 4-1. If they get the ball inside on a 4-1. So what you want to do first is you don't want to let them get in on a 4-1. What you almost want to do is like keep your arms out to like disrupt the passing lanes to make it really hard for them to get it. But say you get it. If it's in the 4-1, the ball is going to be the main priority. So this guy's going to drop down a little bit. So is this guy. And the baseline guy is obviously going to have to come out and guard him. This guy down here is going to have to backdoor cut. And because this guy is a very plausible option for them to pass it to, the wing guy right here has to be ready for him to kick out here. And the top guy is going to go right here, so they can't just do 2 passes into a 3-pointer. So what you want to do, obviously if you can just defend him one-on-one in the post, that's great. But say he's beating you in the post, if you can force him, so say this guy goes up into the middle, then he's gonna have this guy around him, this guy around him, this guy can come up around him, and he's gonna be trapped in the middle. So if you can force him into the middle, it kind of will take him by surprise when he suddenly has so many people surrounding him.